So, hey guys, tonight's class is about LinkedIn and landing clients using LinkedIn. So, it's not just LinkedIn optimization, but that will be covered though. But how do you land clients and leverage LinkedIn in the right way that you're supposed to? I just want to know, like, just out of curiosity, out of Instagram and LinkedIn, which one are you more active on? So, almost all of you are going to be more active on Instagram, and it makes complete sense. I mean, without a doubt, it makes absolute sense to be more active on Instagram. Why? It has much more features, it has much more engagement, it has a much more interactive interface. Everything is good about Instagram, to be honest. Like, Instagram is just spectacular that way. LinkedIn is comparatively a newer platform. Newer, I mean, not so new anymore. But when I say LinkedIn is a more newer platform, by that I mean that it is a much more, it still hasn't got enough people on it. The amount of people are good. And the best part is that the quality of people on LinkedIn are people with deeper pockets. How to optimize it in the right manner? This is where you need to understand. Before you start on LinkedIn, understand, you need to have one goal. You can't even have two goals. So for example, I have a company in which I want students. I use Instagram for that. For LinkedIn I use for landing clients. So if I go to my LinkedIn profile, you'll see personal branding specialist, founder, personal branding specialist, copywriter, public speaker, serial entrepreneur, freelancer, whatever. So overall, this is what you need to have. So here, this is a very good example because, of course, Nanlock has a much bigger team, has a much wider influence. And yes, of course, you'll find a lot of things out here. So make sure you have a one-liner which explains what do you do. Like for example, here, personal branding specialist. I help audiences get inspired by you through your personal brand. So this is what I've written there. Here is written, we invest in, advise and scale software businesses, very specifically software businesses, which means, and he's written here as well. This is very important, guys. So for example, if I put SaaS marketer, now you'll find certain people putting in their things as SaaS and tech content marketer. So they're going to start looking up for these kind of people, like what does he do, etc., etc. In the same way, people search for these kind of things, and actually the keywords make a difference here. Unlike Instagram where people discover, they don't really search things. On LinkedIn, people do search a lot. Please make sure that you're not having a side image or your full image, full body image, nothing like that. Just keep it very short, formal, and someone looking at you. I mean, they should feel like someone's looking at them. So it's very, very clear. This is LinkedIn Premium. So he has LinkedIn Premium. A person who has LinkedIn Premium, of course, that will get slightly a better edge because you're paying LinkedIn. LinkedIn makes sure that you're getting a good return on your investment. They want money from you, so they're going to showcase you to more people as well. So definitely that is an add-on. This is a part which I want you to focus. Okay. This is where your keywords lie, and your keywords must be here. Don't just put founders, entrepreneurs. A lot of people make this mistake. They're going to do what? Founder, entrepreneur, director, owner. If you just put that, understand what kind of people search for founders, entrepreneurs. People who want to hire. So you're going to get a lot of HR executives sending you requests. And then you're going to be like, LinkedIn is to bekar hai. All it does is send me HR requests. That's because you've put it that way. Okay. So that's one thing that you must consider. Now here also he's put a lot of keywords. All these keywords matter. There's a call to action in the end. Here you can see vaibhav@synthi.com. He has put certain numbers. Do make sure that you're putting numbers. One other thing that you can do is add bullet points. So, and make it like a storytelling experience. Hi, I'm Vaibhav, currently the CEO of this. I'm a growth hacker, an entrepreneur from heart. Ever since my childhood, everything like that. So it's like a storytelling experience. So make sure the copy of this is good. So every company that I work in or worked in or currently working in these two, I will be putting in what are my roles and responsibility because these keywords also count. When people come here, if you're looking for job, if you're looking for freelance projects, they're going to see, what are you responsible for in this company. If you're working for someone, put in your responsibilities there. If you have your own company, put in what responsibility do you do in that, or what do you do for your clients. Those kind of things are important to be added in bullet points. Now, how do you do that? You edit it, and here you can see pins. You can literally pin them. Now, if you see, there is no connect request, but with someone else, let me put someone whom I'm not connected with. Let's say Raj Bhati only. You see here? Now here, I can see connect request. A lot of people think a lot of connections mean that's a good thing. It's actually not. A lot of followers is a good thing, not a lot of connections. And I'll tell you what does that mean. LinkedIn, it tries to analyze your connections, like how many number of connections do you have. Here, I can see follow. I can't see connection. Connection, I can see if I go to more, and there I see an option called connect. So people are by default going to come here and follow. Now, follow means you don't follow them, they follow you. Connection means you follow them and they also follow you. What does it mean and how does it matter? Understand that. The important element here that you must understand is LinkedIn is going to analyze people you are following, and then it's going to showcase more around that. When you're following a short amount of people, like you're connected with a limited amount of people, that's still better, but that limited amount must be of similar niche, or whom you want these people to connect with you regularly. That's an important part. So this is something that you must understand. In case you have already connected with a lot of people, then what you need to do is make it a habit that you are unfollowing 50-50 people every day. Not at one go, don't do everything at one go, you might get banned. So start unfollowing 50-50 karke every day. Okay, how do we search and how do we filter and all those things? How do we do that? You want to connect with founder. Now founder may go to all filters. In all filters, go to second and third connections, and you can select United States, you can select California, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत don't select too many things also. Yeah, you can select founder here. Founder. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah. So here you start seeing founders. Now a lot of people, what they're going to do is, and I'm telling you, this is a major. अब देखो, ये मैंने कई चीजें पहले बता रखी हैं, but this is different, and I'll tell you how. A lot of people will start connecting with these people and start sending them messages. LinkedIn prohibits you from sending a lot of messages. You can't send a lot of in-mails. Now DMs here or messages here are called in-mails, of course. It does not allow you to send a lot of them. In fact, it even limits your searches. You can't search a lot unless you've purchased LinkedIn Premium. So what am I going to do? And I'll tell you that. So for example, I click this person. Now here I'm going to see, okay, he has a cover picture. That's one good sign that probably he's active. Probably. Maybe it's not clear. I'm going to go to see all activity. And all I want to know is when was the last activity done. So it is showing 1 week ago, this person likes this. So Justice, whatever his name is, he has liked somebody's post 1 week ago. When was the last post that he did? He's not done any post. I am not going to connect with him. Chances are very high that I'm going to be scene zoned, or he's hardly going to see it. So I'm not going to waste my time. Let's go forward. Now I want to go here. Let's see here. Louis Dumont. Okay, let's see activity. Let's go here. It shows 6 years ago. Okay, that 7 years ago he posted. So definitely not connecting with this person. Okay, now I'm not going here. Let's go next. Now here I can see some things. Let's see activity. Now this person, some good things that I've noticed already is that he has some featured content. Featured is a great place because you can actually put in your website, your blogs, and other things out here that people can click and directly reach there. So he's put in his YouTube video and all that. Chalo, theek hai. Let's go to see all activity. When I'm seeing all activity, I see 5 days ago he has commented somewhere. Okay. Let's see posts. Post he did 1 week ago. देखते हैं उसके अलावा 1 week ago, 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 1 week ago. So he was pretty active in the last week. For some reason, this week he's not been that active. Could be, could be not. Yes, I probably will connect with this person. It feels like this person can be connected to, and I will. I even have a mutual connection. Don't just send message. Instead, go to more, connect, and don't just send a connection request, because he gets a lot of connection requests. Go to message. When you put message, now you can put a subject line and you can write a message. So for example, I have put a subject line called, I connected with this person, Re. My EA reached out to you over email for Medic. Medic is his company. I researched about the brand, okay? Hey Andy, my EA Ananya Chawla reached out to you over email and has urged me to connect with you. Okay. Now, by saying something like that, of course, first of all, the good thing is it is true. My EA did send him a mail, and which means that it seems like I'm talking to him. And let's see what I did next. I got a chance to study about Medic, and I must say that the way that you've branded it as a diagnosis procedure to improve enterprise sales to back bigger deals faster is pretty interesting. I cannot just copy paste this mail, right? I haven't copy pasted it. What I've done is I have genuinely studied about him. I have genuinely sent him something. You can just send 15 or something in mails in a month, if I'm not wrong. You have very limited chances. So you make sure that the people you're sending the in-mail are people whom who are active. Let's connect over a quick 15-minute call. Could you please share the best time and number to reach out to you? P.S. I've helped my last client reach $100,000 in 8 months through his personal branding, and I feel that I can do even better for you. Let's talk. Kshitij Dole, Managing Director, Sales for Brands. The benefit of this is you get a response. Most of the time over mails or when you DM people, you'd realize that I'm sending mails to 10, 15, 20, 25, 50 people. I'm not getting a response. Fine. If you want to say no, but you don't get any responses. This is how you get a response. See, we don't know whether he already has hired an agency or not. But the thing is, he's responded. To other people, he won't even respond because he'll be like, he'll just keep skipping. And that is the benefit. What you want is a reward. Any sort of cold email or cold outreach, the goal of a cold outreach means you need a response. Positive, negative is not in your control, but you need a response. That shows the quality of the mail that you sent or the message that you sent. This is what I did here as well. My LinkedIn account has reached the search limit 2 days back. How long will it take until I get access to search limit? A month. As I said, your search limit is very limited and it's going to take you a month. Alternative for Snove.io is Hunter.io, is Clearbit. And but I am nowadays looking up to one new tool, but it's paid. It's called Lusha. Okay, Lusha. It's paid. It's around 7,500 a month. But I've got really good reviews that the emails are all proper and you don't get their business email IDs unlike Hunter or Snove or Clearbit. You get their personal email IDs. So here it's showing pay as little as 3,999 per month when billed annually. It's going to be more than that. You can send 20 in-mail messages. That's all. 20. That is the problem with LinkedIn. It's not really allowing a lot of mails. It's not allowing a lot of messages because they don't want you to start spamming people. So it's good in a way, but my method is more supportive here. That's the reason. Do a bit of research and connect with them in the right manner rather than just randomly. It's giving you lead recommendations and all those things. So Sales Navigator, professional features. It is Sales Navigator here. There's also business, for example. Now business, let me show you. This is much cheaper. Okay. Here you get 15 in-mails and unlimited people browsing. Honestly, I feel this would work. If you get unlimited people browsing for 1900 would work. It'll be 2,000 something. But this is Sales Navigator. This will cost you 4,500 approximately. So you can go for this feature just to see the extent of the features, what all features are there. And then you can then move on after 1 month to premium if you want to. That's one of the things that you could do. But I don't know. I would much rather go for, maybe I would go for a premium and a Lusha rather than Sales Navigator, because Lusha gives you quite a lot of things that you can do, which is quite interesting. You can use all the filters, you can get all the mails. It's pretty interesting. That's the reason. Just go have a look at Lusha to understand what I'm talking about. Ayush, how to work on LinkedIn if you're looking for a business deal like gifting orders? Now, gifting orders, what is the ticket size, Ayush?
So it is like a hamper, which can be customized from rupees 300 to 1,500 or 2,000 rupees.
So I'll tell you how it works. So for example, you can reach out to HR executives And in HR executives, there are corporate events, like for example, Diwali is coming, Dashera is coming. So during that holiday, usually the companies distribute gifts. And that is, if you want bulk orders, LinkedIn is great. But if you're looking for individual people to sell to, Instagram or Facebook is better. So I go for HR director. This is what we are, just connect with them initially. That, hi, what are your Diwali plans? Like, are you looking for something? We are here to offer something. If you find it interesting, first let's get on a call. If you find it interesting, let's take it up. Don't push something that, hey, we are doing this, and we have this much offer and something. No need for all that. Abhi, right now the goal is not to sell, because they're not going to read your mail and be like, okay, come on, let's place an order. No, it's not going to happen like that. They're going to read your mail and your goal is just to get a revert. So revert could, like, your mail could just be like, hey, we are young people, we are doing something like this. Is your company interested in, what are you guys doing for Diwali? We provide something like this, and there are 5 other companies in Surat who have been interested. Would you be interested to get on a call, or what's the best time to connect? So that is something which could work out. You could have a small video ad and everything that you can then use it to send it to them, and all those things that you can actually do. You can actually go to Insights. Now in Insights, you can go to search appearances. In search appearances, you would see where your searchers work. Where are they working? Who are searching you? What kind of people are reaching out to you? So authors are reaching out to me. Business strategists, executive directors are reaching out to me. Founders are reaching out to me. I want these people to reach out, because executive directors, business strategists, and founders are people who are going to give me a deal. Authors are reaching out to me because personal branding. So it's working out for me this way. What are they searching for? Speaker, public speaker. I want better keywords. So I changed the keywords, I think, a month back, but for a very long time it was public speaker. So maybe it's still showing that. So I want to improve that. Even if you click here, it'll still show you that improve your LinkedIn profile. Just update your profile properly with the most recent information. It's going to give you that update. So make sure that, you are constantly checking this out as well, because this is how you actually get to know what are the post views. You get to know about that. What do we call it? Who viewed your profile. On premium, you can see literally everybody's. So I'm planning to get a preview, like a premium. If I do, I'm actually going to share with you how it works out. But yeah, you can even see who all looked out, who were looking for you. So the people who were looking for you, then you can actually connect with them, and because they were looking your profile, they are going to respond. So it's a much better approach that way as well. Okay, guys, I think that is how you actually look out for people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn people know how to use. It's just about how you can leverage LinkedIn to actually gain clients, and what are the right hacks and the right methods. Because the techniques I said, you might feel like, ठीक है, बस इतना ही तो था, but वो ही इतना बहुत impact करता है. It is very small. It's very tiny, but these tiny things make a massive difference. People who've not done that, I've realized that, oh my God, they send so many links. They literally give up on LinkedIn after a while, that it's nothing, it's nonsense. People don't respond. Of course, people are not responding. You're sending mails. It's like seeing a dead Instagram profile and sending them a DM and expecting them to respond. And then you go like, Instagram is dead. You understand? So that is what you need to understand, that which kind of people do you want to send a request to on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is spectacular for organic reach. LinkedIn is spectacular for building business networking, because it's very difficult. Apart from LinkedIn, very difficult to find the people who you want as clients, and all those big executives, CXO level executives and all. The right kind of people you can't find on Facebook and Instagram that easily. On LinkedIn, you get it. This is the hub for that. So if you're not active on LinkedIn yet, go ahead and at least be active. Put 2 posts in a week, at least 2 posts in a week. And I think you're good to go. So please go on Telegram. I'm putting it there. I would love to hear from you. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Good night.